You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access the light bulbs on the driver's side, you must remove the expansion tank. To do this, lift the yellow locking lever, then lift the expansion tank and move it out of the way. To change the bulbs on the full beams and parking lights, remove the closing cap on the grille side. To replace the H4 full beam light bulb, grab the white power terminal and pull it. To remove the light bulb, simultaneously push down and inwards. This will free the hook from the holding spurs. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. To replace the sidelight light bulbs, grab the power terminal and pull on it while wiggling it back and forth. This will allow you to remove the bulb from its housing. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To change the H7 deep beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Remove the electricity connection for the light bulb by pulling on the back part, not on the wires. Pivot the hook upwards. Then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb base and make a turn anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the expansion tank back in place. Lock it. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.